Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video, and today we're going to be learning on how you can go ahead and export a edited video on your Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I already have a project loaded up on your screen. So in order for me to go ahead and export this video that I have already edited and completed, all you want to do is on the top left of your screen, you're going to see a menu up here, as you can see, and you want to click on the file button. And finally, once you have done that, on this file tab, if you go all the way down, as you can see, there is going to be a export button right over here, and there's going to be a media button right over here, or you can simply press Ctrl M and this menu will pop up, but I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. Finally, once I have clicked on that, as you can see, this is going to be your export page, and over here you can go ahead and set your export settings. So I'm going to be teaching you a perfect setting to import almost any 1920 by 1080 videos. So the format, make sure is H.264, or if you have a 4K video, H.264 Blu-ray, but I'm just gonna go ahead and click on H.264. If you want to go ahead and change the name, you can simply go ahead and double click on this output name, and here you can just change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna change it to tutorial, as you can see, and here you can even choose the file where you want to go ahead and export the video, right? And finally, you can click on save and it will be exported there. And now if you scroll down here, as you can see, there is going to be a lot of tabs, but we're not going to be touching most of those. So the few ones that we're going to be using is this check mark right over here, which says use maximum render quality. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You want to scroll down over here and click on render at maximum depth, and then you want to simply go ahead and scroll down your performance. You can simply go ahead and select hardware encoding, or go ahead and select software encoding. I normally prefer software encoding because it's gonna be better. And over here you can go ahead and put your target BP or target bitrate. I normally put it at 50, or you can even go to VBR2 or CBR and just normally put it to 50, because that's the best setting I have found out for a 1080p video. And finally, once you have done all of that, you can simply go ahead and click on export. And your okay, so I already have exported this video, so it says, do you want to replace it? And I can simply go ahead and replace it by clicking yes, and as you can see, it's gonna go ahead and export the video for you. So it is as simple as that. I'm not going to export the video again, as I've already done that, but it is as simple as that. And if you thought this video was helpful for you, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And with that being said, bye bye.